Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is National Statistics Day, 29th June. Every year, National Statistics Day is observed on 29th June since 2007. The theme for Statistics Day 2024 is Use of Data for Decision Making. The Government of India has designated 29th June as Statistics Day to celebrate the birth anniversary of Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis. The Statistics Day is a recognition of the notable contributions made by Professor late Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis in the fields of statistics and economic planning. The objective of celebrating Statistics Day is to create public awareness, especially among the youth, on the role and importance of statistics in socio-economic planning and policy formulation for the development of the country. This year, the main event of Statistics Day 2024 is being organized at Manekshaw Center, Delhi, Cant and New Delhi. The e-Sankhiki portal and central data repository is also scheduled to be launched during the event. The Sustainable Development Goals National Indicator Framework Progress Report 2024 is also scheduled to be released during the event. Now let's discuss about Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis. Born on 29th June 1893, he is also known as the father of Indian statistics. Professor Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis' actual surname was Bandopadhyay. On 17th December 1931, he set up the Indian Statistical Institute for Advanced Research and Training in Statistics. He was instrumental in formulating India's strategy for industrialization in the second five-year plan. He was renowned for the Mahalanobis distance and statistical measure. Now is the time for practice question. On which date is National Statistics Day observed each year? 26th June, 27th June, 28th June or 29th June? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates.